Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Colourpop sent me their brand new Lilo and Stitch collection. In today's video I'm going to open it up and show you guys the products, and then in my next video I will do a little makeup tutorial using all these products. So let's see what's inside. Here is everything. I'm so excited, so let's dig in. First up, we have the Shadow Sticks Duo. The packaging is so cute. These are the two shadow sticks and they are duochrome, which is really fun. This one is called He's All Yours. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, that is stunning. I would actually wear this. I love these kind of like light purples on the eyes. Blue one is called Alien Vibes. Yes, alien vibes. Looking at it, because it's a little darker, it looks blue, but then on camera it kind of looks green. It's really pretty. I've never used a shadow stick from Colourpop before. Next up is the Instant Crush Cream Blush. Okay, I don't know if the camera is going to pick this up. I'm gonna make it. This kind of looks like water. Do you guys see that? I don't know if that's just how it's pressed or if they did that on purpose. This is the box that it comes in, but this blush is pH color changing and it's gonna give you a pink flush. I don't know if it's gonna work on my hand. Is it working? All right, I can't tell if this is working, but I will definitely use it when I film the makeup tutorial. Next up are the 3 ultra glossy lips. I can't with these boxes. The packaging, Colourpop kills it with the packaging. This first one is Super Sweet. Bye. This is so cute. I love this. When I say super sweet, is a sheer baby pink. It smells very coconutty. I don't hate it. Very cute. I like the shade. This is probably going to become one of my new favorite lip glosses. This next one is called Summer Vibes. The box. Like, I can't. I want to save them all. This one is the hot pink. I like this one. I'm really liking like these kind of pinky shades lately. I think they're really pretty. And last is Experiment 626. This one's gonna be a coral red. This one also smells very fruity. Again, I'm assuming this one's probably gonna be passion fruit, and then the one before this was guava. But I do really like this shade. To me, it's very peachy, not so coral red. Next up is the Super Shock highlighter in Ohana. So this is a tie-dye finish highlighter. It looks so cool. I'm excited to try it. Oh, it's really pretty. Oh, it's like pinky and purpley. Like, this is like a highlighter I've always kind of wanted, honestly. And last is the Beach Dreamin' eyeshadow palette. The colors in this are so pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna really use like this little chunk right here with the reddies and the pinkies, but the rest will definitely be using. I love the purplies, and I'm very excited to try this out and film a little look for you guys. I'm also gonna do some swatches for you guys, and I'm gonna do column by column. This is Island Time, Hibiscus, and Sweet Lilo. This is Sweet Thing. It's really, really light, so I try to really make it pigmented for you guys. Family, and can we talk about this shade, which is No Bad Days? It's stunning. This is Golden Sands, gorgeous. Waves All Day. This is more of like a pressed glitter shade. And then Cutest Alien, which almost kind of matches my nails. Then we have a Goodness Level, Fluffy, and 626. These are all matte. The shadows are typical Colourpop quality. They're really buttery, especially like these 3, very buttery, and they're pretty easy to swatch, which is really nice. Can't remember which one of these was kind of like chunky looking, but I'm not surprised because they have so much like red in it. Looking at the palette in person, I do like it more than I thought I would because I saw a lot of pictures online and I was a little iffy about it, but I think it's a really, really pretty palette. I'm so excited to use all of these products. Stay tuned for next week's video where I'm going to do a whole makeup tutorial. If you want to pick up any of the products, they're all linked down below, and comment what you want to pick up. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.